Hello, welcome to Concept Era Institute. Today I'll introduce you to the course content of Class 10 Science, chapter wise, covering the main contents covered in each topic. The first chapter, chemical reactions and equations. In this, you will be told about the types of reactions, how to balance a chemical equation, what is the significance of balancing chemical equation, and the reduction and oxidation and their applications in daily life. Next, acids, bases, and salts. Basic concept you already know, but you will be told the definition of acids and bases, their reactions with each other and with other substances, and their properties, and some basic salts used in everyday life like sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda, etc. Third unit, again chemistry, metals and non-metals. But keep in mind that this particular chapter contains the maximum weightage of all the chapters in chemistry. So pay special attention to this. Physical and chemical properties of metals, reactivity series, their reactions, properties, corrosion, and its prevention. Last chapter of chemistry. This contains about 6 to 7 marks weightage in your board exams. In this, you will be told about the covalent bonding in carbon atoms, the why carbon forms such a large number of compounds, the nomenclature of carbon compounds, the bonding, and some functional groups, including two of the compounds, that is ethanoic acid and ethyl acetate. Now comes biology. The first unit in biology is life processes. The main 4 life processes covered in this are nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. Next is again biology, control and coordination. Control and coordination means the control and coordination of activities in plants and animals using electrical coordination and chemical coordination. You will be introduced animal hormones, plant hormones, and nervous system in this. Also, the structure of brain is also included in this. Next, how do organisms reproduce? In this, you will be told about the 2 modes of reproduction, asexual and sexual, and in detail, you will be taught about the human reproduction system, heredity and evolution. In this, only heredity part is included in the syllabus, not the evolution, and you will be told about heredity, Mendel's contribution towards heredity, the determination of sex of the offspring. Next, light, reflection and reflection. Again, this is the topic in physics in which a large number of numericals are asked. About 30% of the numerical load will be from this chapter. In this, you will be told about reflection, spherical mirrors, spherical lenses, lens equation, mirror equation, magnification, and power of lens. Another, human eye and the colorful world. In this, you will be told about the structure and functions of various parts of the eye, the defects of the eye, that is hypermetropia, myopia, and presbyopia, and their corrections, including some effects of the atmosphere, that is twinkling of stars and formation of rainbow. Next is electricity, in which you will be told about the charges in nature, their interactions with each other, what is current, what is the potential, what is the work done, electrical work done, and the heating effect of current and its applications in the daily life. Another, magnetic effects of electric current. You will be told that electricity produces magnet and magnetism produces electricity. Their interactions, force on a current carrying conductor when placed in a magnetic field, Fleming's left hand rule, Maxwell's right hand thumb rule, and some introduction of the domestic electrical circuits. This, our environment, is included in biology, in which you will be told about the ecosystem, the food webs, the environmental problems faced, the depletion of ozone layer, the biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances, and conservation of the environment. This is regarding your courseware. Now I'll tell you about what weightage of marks is covered by each chapter. Chemistry, 25 marks. Biology, 30 marks. Physics, 25 marks. Now, chapter-wise weightage, that is approximation. Chemical reactions and equations, there will be about 6 marks questions in your board exam. From acid, bases, and salts, 3 marks questions will be asked. Metals and non-metals, 10 marks. Carbon and its compound, 6 marks. Life processes, 9 marks. Control and coordination, 3 marks. How do organisms reproduce, 6 marks. Light, reflection and refraction, 10 marks. Human eye, 2 marks. So, my advice to you is prepare these 2 chapters as a single unit. So, you will be able to score 12 out of 12 from this. Effects of current, electricity, 7 marks. Magnetism, 6 marks. And natural resources, 5 marks. Together, this will cover your 80 marks questions. And the 20 marks will be of internal assessment based on your practical and viva. Now, I'll be also sharing some important questions, like when you're preparing chemical reactions and equations, balancing, you give a must practice. Types of reactions, combination, decomposition, double decomposition, and displacement reactions, plus oxidation and reduction reactions, and corrosion and acidity. Chemical properties of metals with metal carbonates, acids, oxygen, water. Preparation of chemical masses, use of important salts like washing soda, baking soda, plaster of Paris, and bleaching powder. Life process, nutrition, respiration, excretion, and transportation, all in detail. Electricity, Ohm's law, current electricity, potential difference, Joule's law of heating, combination of resistors in series and parallel. Well, that's all for the planner video. That was the introduction. Now we'll meet again in this channel with explanatory unit-wise videos, and you'll have great fun learning. Thank you.